Good morning, my students. Today, we will revise together chapter 12. The first slide. Find the percentage of the number. Use the dollar sign and decimal point when necessary. Number 1. 50% of 44. We said before that we should replace the of by multiply. Then 50% of 44 means 50% multiplied 44. And we can convert 50% maybe to the fraction form 50 divided by 100, or we can convert it to decimal form 0.5. Both of them are correct. Then 50% by fraction form 50 divided by 100. Of replace it by multiplied 44. Then 50 divided by 100 multiply 44 divided by 1. And need we simplify now? You can simplify 150, both of them divided by 10, or divided by 2, or divided by 5, or divided by 50. And 144, both of them divisible by 4, or divisible by, divisible by 4, or divisible by 2. Then, or we can multiply numerator and numerator multiply by denominator. All of them correct. Then 50 multiply 44, firstly put down 0, and 5 multiply 4 equal 22 and 0, 20 and the carry 2, and 5 multiply 4 equal 20 and 2 equal 22. 100 multiply 1 by 1 equals 100. Then we have here 2 0 and we have also 0. Then both of them divisible by 100. Then divided by 100 equals 1. Divided by 100 equals 22. Number 2. 4% of $6. 4% of $6. Then we can convert it 4% to fraction 4. 4 divided by 100. Or decimal 0.04 means 4 hundredths. By the fraction 4, 4 divided by 100 multiplied by 6. And 6 is denominator will be 1. Yes, 4 divided by 100 multiply 6 divided by 1. And we can simplify. You can simplify or multiply numerator and denominators. Then 4 multiplied 6 equal 24. And 100 multiply 1 equal 100. Then 24 divided 100 means 24 hundredths. $24 hundredths. $2400. Number 3, 34% of 500. 34%, we can write it the fraction form 34 divided by 100, or the decimal form 0.34. By the fraction form 34 divided by 100 multiplied 500, and the 500 we can write it 500 divided by 1. It's very easy. Now we can simplify 100 and the 500. Here is 2 0 and here is still 0. We can omit it both. Means divided by 100 equal 1, divided by 100 equals 5. Then 100 divided by 100 equals 1, 500 divided 100 equals 5, and 34 as it. Then the answer is 34 multiplied by 5 is equal to 170. 170. Find the percent of or rate. Find the percent or rate. Look at firstly at these formulas. Rate multiply base is equal percentage. Rate multiply base equal to percentage. This is our rule or our formula. How can you get rate? How can you get rate? By divided by division. Then rate is equal to P is means percentage divided by P base. Then what percent of 25 is 5? We need to the percent. We need the percent. Then 5 divided by 25. 5 divided by 25. Both of them divisible by 5. Divided 5 equals 1. And 25 divided 5 is equals 5. We need the percent. The percent means that the fraction is second term or the limiter should be 100. Is it 100? No. Can you get it? Can you, which number multiplied by 5 equals 105? Multiply what? Yes, 5 multiply 20. Up and down. Then 1 multiply 20 and 5 multiplied by 20. Good. Then 1 multiply 20 equals 20 and 5 multiply 20 equals 100. Then now this other fraction, its second term is 100 or the number should be 100. Then 20 divided by 100 equals 20%. 20%. 20%. Okay. And number 5, 78 is what? Percent of 120. Now we need to calculate the rate. Yes, the rate is equal percent divided by base. Then 75 divided by 120. Both of them here divisible by 2. Yes, what else? And divisible by 3. Why? Because 1 plus 2 is equal 3. 3 plus 0 equal 3. And 3 is divisible by 3. 7 plus 8 equal 15. And 15 also divisible by 3. Now both of them, the greatest common factor here is, yes, okay. Both of them divisible by 3. Then 120 by 3 equals 40. And 78 divided 3 is equal 28. But we can simplify it more. Divided 2 and divided 2. Then 40 divided 2 is equal 20 and 26 divided 2 equals 13. Then the greatest common factor here is multiplied by 3 and then multiplied by 2. Then we can divided by 2 and divided by 3. Then we can say that both of them divisible by 6 because here is divisible by 3 and divisible by 2. Divisible by 3, divisible by 2. Then 120 is divisible by 6, up and down. Then 78 divided 6 equal 13, and 120 by 6 equal to 20. But we need to convert it the decimal, the percent. Second term is 100. Is it 100? No. Can you put it in 100? Which number multiplying by 20 equals 100? 20 multiplied by, yes, 5, up and down. Then 20 multiplied 5 equal 100, and 13 multiplied 5 equals 65. Now we can write in the percent. Then 65 by 100 equals 65%. 65%. Estimate to decide which is better, is the better buy. 4 loaves of bread for $4.99 or 1 loaf of bread for $1.50 or $1.50. Now, from this point, first part, we need to calculate 1 loaf, the price of 1 loaf. Then the 4 loaves is $4.99. Then can you calculate it? The price of 1 loaf, then we have 4 loaves is equal to $4.99. I need only 1. Then we should divide it, $4.99 divided by what? Divided by 4. Then the answer is equal to $1.2475. $1.2475. Now, and the second is 1 loaf of bread is 1.50. Then which one is better to buy it? 4 loaves of bread for $4.99. When we calculated it, we get 1 loaf is $1.2475 or one and a half. Which one is better to buy it? Yes, the first. Yes, 4 loaves is better to buy it. 5 puzzles for $4.45 or 1 puzzle for 95 cents. From first, 5 puzzles for $4.45 means if the price of 5 puzzles is $4.45, I need only the price of 1 puzzle. Then the 1 puzzle is divided this price, this amount of money, divided it by 5. Yes, 4.45 divided by 5 is equal to $0.89. But we need to convert it to cents. Then it's equal to 89 cents. 89 cents. Then we have the 5 puzzles for $4.45. When we calculated it, the price of only one puzzle is 89 cents. And the one puzzle, the second is one puzzle for 95 cents. Then which one is great? Which one is better to buy it? Which one or the best? 95 cents for one puzzle or 89 cents for one puzzle? Which one is cheaper? Which one is the better to buy it? Yes, the first. Yes, the first here is better than this one. Use the dollar sign and decimal point when necessary. There are 520 students in the 6th grade. 45% are girls. How many girls are there? We have here 520 students in the grade 6, the 6th grade. Means 520 is boys and girls together. Boys and girls together. And 45% are girls. Then 45% of what? 45% from the total number. Then the number of girls is equal to 45% of 520 students. The number of girls equal 45% of 520. And we said before, of mean multiply, and the 45% we can write the fraction form 45 divided by 100. I can simplifying it more, or by decimal form 0.45. Then 45 divided by 100 multiplied 520. We can write it because 520 means 520 divided by 1. And now we can simplify. Yes, we can simplify 100 and 520, both of them divisible by 10. Then divided 10 equal 100 divided 10 equal 10. 520 divided 10 equal 52. But we can simplify more. We can simplify 10 and 45 divided 5 divided 5. Yes, divided 5 equal 2 and 45 divided 5 equals 9. Then can you simplify 2 and 52? Yes, divided 2 divided 2 equal 1 and 52 divided 2 equal 26. Then 1 multiply 1 and 9 multiply 26 equal 234 girls. Then the number of girls are 234 girls. Number 12, the rate of discount of $14.80 CD is 25%. Find the sale price. We should remember two rules or two formulas. We should remember these two formulas. D is referred to discount. Discount is equal to rate of discount multiplied by list price. And sell price is equal to list price minus discount. Then the rate here is 25% multiply the list price. The list price here is $14.80. And we said before, 25%, we can write it the fraction form, 25 divided 100. When we simplifying it will be 1/4. And or 25%, we can write it the decimal form is 0.25. Both of them correct. By the decimal here, 0.25 multiplied by $14.80. The answer is, yes, the answer is $3.7. Then the amount of discount is equal to $3.7. And now the second step here, you need to find the sale price. The sale price equal to list price minus discount. Then, yes, list price is equal $14.80 minus the amount of discount is equal to 3.7. By subtracting, the answer is B. The sales price is equal to 11.1. Now, if you need to calculate the sale price, we should write these two formula and applied it. Okay. We have here this bicycle, and the price of this bicycle is $230, and rate of sale tax is 3%. We need to calculate the sales tax and the total cost. Now, and then we have also two, yes. Firstly, you should remember that this formula, sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax multiplied market price. Then sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax is 3%. That we said before, rate of sales is 3%. Multiply market price, then the number of the price, 230. But I need to calculate the sales tax, 3% off. The sales tax is 3% off the number of the price, this price, the market price. Then the answer is equal to, we can write it as we said before, 3%, 0.03, or 3 divided by 100. Then 0.03 multiplied by 230 is equal to $6.90. This amount is the sales tax. This is the first point. Then the sales tax is $6.90. The second, we need to calculate the total cost. The total cost is equal to market price plus sales tax. Total cost is equal to market price plus sales tax Then total cost is equal to the market price is $230 plus the sales tax we get it before 6.90. Then the answer is $236.90. Then if you are any questions talking about or ask you to get the sales tax and total cost, you should remember these two formula. Again, sales tax is equal rate of sales tax multiplied market price, and the second, total cost is equal market price plus sales tax. The next, the price of this bicycle is $24,750, and rate of sales tax is 5%. We need to calculate the sales tax and total cost. As we said before, sales tax equals rate of sales tax multiplied market price. Then, where is the rate here? 5%, and the market price is equal to 24,750. Look, then sales tax equal 5% multiplied 24,750. Now we need to convert it 5%, maybe 5 divided by 100 or 0.05 or 500. Then 500 multiply 24,750. $24,750. By multiplying, the result is equal to $1,237.5. $1,237.5. This amount of sales tax. $1,237.5. We need to calculate the total cost. The total cost, look at this formula. Total cost is equal to market price plus sales tax. Total cost is equal to market price plus sales tax. Then the market price is equal $24,750 plus the sales tax is $1,237.5. By calculating, the answer is $25,987.50. This is our, yes, and we have finished now. Thank you for your listening, and thank you. Goodbye.